Goten, Trunks, Piccolo, hang in there. Hope I can make it. Great! This is incredible. It's giving off a ton of energy. It really happened. Everyone's dead. Goten, Trunks, hope I can make it.
Yeah!
Now's not the time to explore. I have to hurry. Don't need to go there. Goten, Trunks, Piccolo, hang in there. I hope I can make it. This will be a cinch. Hey, that was all right. There they are.
We're really screwed now. Our fusion time ran out.
We're gonna get killed, aren't we?
Might not be able to do much, but I'll join in as well. We'll go down fighting, giving it our all. What is this energy?
Someone's coming.
Gohan's triumphant return.
It's my brother! My brother's here!
Thank goodness. I made it.
Gohan!
My brother's here! Hooray! He wasn't dead after all!
Whoa, that's Gohan? There's something different about his energy. He seems more confident. Maybe that could be why I didn't recognize him.
Where's everyone else?
They're gone. Majin Buu killed them all.
Even Mom? And Dende?
Yeah, we're the only ones left.
They were yummy. I ate every last one of them. They make good chocolate.
No, he's wrong. It's faint, but I can sense some ki.
Don't tell me you're going to fight me.
No, I'm gonna kill you.
Here I go! Don't like you! I'm going to kill you!
strong. Come at me.
I don't like people that are stronger than me!
Go ahead then.
Here I go!
Get it. You can't beat me.
So it was you. I knew it. That's right. I felt it. A strong power. Somewhere very, very, very far away. I don't like it when people are stronger than me!
Well, that's too bad, Majin Buu.
I will not! I will not let you do this! Will not! I will not! I will not!
Quick thinking, Gohan. Thanks.
Sure.
I can't believe he blew himself up.
So is Buu dead?
No.
Then what happened? Did he run away? I can't feel his energy anymore.
He has the power to mask his ki.
He's hiding and waiting for his chance to attack.
I'm not sure about that. But it did seem like he was up to something.
If he is alive, he's not gonna be for much longer. That guy could barely lay a finger on Gohan. I'd say he was about as strong as our Super Gotenks.
He was stronger.
Oh yeah? Maybe a little bit.
That reminds me, Gohan. Where the hell did you get all this power?
Whoa, that old man sounds pretty cool.
What about the dragon radar? Who has it?
Oh, right. I have it with me. But with Dende gone, the Dragon Balls, they're pretty useless.
No, they're not. Dende's still alive. His ki's faint, but you can still feel it, right?
What? Oh, yeah, you're right.
Let's go and meet up with him. I'm picking up a small amount of ki from someone else.
What?
It really happened. Everyone's dead.
really did kill everyone.
But wait, who else could be with him?
Gohan! Was my dad there too?
No, I didn't see Vegeta there.
Oh.
All right. Boo, you're not gonna get away with this. This will be a cinch.
Special beam!
Now this is beyond the level of Super Saiyan.
Special beam cannon! Here I go! Here I go!
Shouldn't wander off too far. This will be a cinch. Everyone's gone. Here we go. Huh? All right.
No!
No.
Huh?
All right.
What?
What?
Yeah. Unleash your inner power! Special beam!
me! Huh?
All right. Here I go!
Yay!
What's this? Hi. Let's see. I'm picking up a small amount of ki from someone else. Huh?
Is that a person?
Yeah. That's...
Hey, it's Mr. Satan! You mean he wasn't killed with everyone else? There's no killing that guy, huh? Let's just leave him here.
No. Think we better take him with us. I've been watching him from Kami's lookout. He's a good person deep down. In his own clumsy way, he actually tried to save everyone. Dende, you're alive. So glad to see you.
Mr. Popo, he threw me down here before Majin Buu could kill me.
We owe Mr. Popo a lot. Thanks to his quick thinking, we have a chance.
Hey, what's wrong with the kid? His face is all green.
Kid? What do you mean, kid? He's the guardian of Earth!
Huh? The Guardian?
Huh? It's Majin Buu!
Something's not right. What is he up to?
Hey, you little runts! Come over here! I want us to finish our fight!
Huh?
What did he say?
Oh, no, you don't, Boo. You're still fighting me.
First, I want to finish the fight with them. Then you and me can fight.
Why? Why do you want to fight them first? What happened to all that talk about you wanting to kill me?
What's wrong, punks? Are you scared of me?
What?
We're not scared of you. Let's mess this guy up for good, Trunks.
Now you're talking.
Wait, something isn't right here. Don't you find all of this kind of strange?
Fusion! Ha!
Ta-da! The Mad Daddy of Justice! Super Gotenks! Makes his triumphant return!
If I could just get that kid's power. And that Piccolo guy's brains.
What the? No.
What do you think, Gohan? Looks like my plan was a huge success. You have just witnessed the birth of the ultimate Majin!
Oh, you dirty slimy. I can't believe you actually absorbed them.
You have only yourself to blame. After all, you made the mistake of surpassing me. I've been planning this from the very first time I felt your power, from far away. I knew what I had to do. As I fought that Super Gotenks brat, I figured out that absorbing him would make me completely untouchable! But that kid's power had a time limit. He told me so himself. I couldn't have him returning to normal on me, so I bided my time. Gotenks said it would take another hour to fuse again, so I lied in wait until then.
So that's what you were up to. You know, if you really wanted to obtain the ultimate power, you should have absorbed me.
You still don't get it, do you? What's the point if I have no one to rival me? Didn't you hear me when we fought before? I am going to kill you. That's my ultimate goal!
Huh, I see. So that's your angle. Makes sense. Didn't you say you were gonna kill me?
I would speed up this. After all, the Super Gotenks brand new Saga is running on borrowed time.
Surprisingly rational of you. I guess absorbing Piccolo has made you a lot smarter. Didn't think absorbing those two would make him this strong. No!
Give it up! You're persistent, I'll give you that!
I can't beat him like this.
I realize how hopeless things are for you! You're a mess. I'm starting to get bored. Time to finish this!
What? No way! Oh, he can't beat him. He's not strong enough.
I certainly did not see this coming. Well then, that settles it. Goku, you're going to go help him.
Huh? But I can't.
That's right, Elder Kai. Goku is no longer able to return to the world of the living.
I'm fully aware of that. That's why I'm going to offer him my life. He can then make his way to Gohan.
But you're gonna give me your life? Are you serious?
I can't allow that.
If you don't let me, the entire universe is history.
Then I'll offer him my life. It's the least I can do to help.
That's enough of that. You're still young. Me, on the other hand, I've only got another 1,000 or so years left.
But, Gramps...
Farewell, and good luck.
Thanks, Gramps. I promise. I'll try not to waste the life you've given me.
All right, then get a move on. Hey now! Don't let my sacrifice be in vain!
Right. Okay, I'm out of here.
Wait just a second. I forgot something. Take my Potara. Wear one on your left ear when you get there.
Wait a sec. So wearing this will make me stronger?
In a sense, yes. If Gohan wears the other on his right ear, you two will combine into one warrior.
What? Are you serious?
Yes, and the effect is far stronger than that other fusion technique. Those Potara earrings are considered a sacred treasure among the Supreme Kais.
I never knew about that.
You younger generations are truly hopeless. Go on, try it for yourselves. You and Kibito use your own Potara earrings.
What? Wow, this power is incredible! With this power, I can join the fight too!
Don't get carried away, you dolt! Neither of you are much on your own, and fusing isn't going to change that.
I see.
Wow, you weren't kidding, Gramps! That's awesome! Oh yeah, by the way, how long does the fusion last?
The Potara don't have a weakness like that. The fusion lasts forever. It's permanent.
Huh?
Well, as far as I know.
There's a shock. I'd be fused with Gohan forever? Well, I guess I can live with that.
Quit your incessant babbling and get out of here! Do you want Gohan to die?
Right. All right, I'm off. Oh, and thanks for everything.
I will destroy everyone and everything!
Dad, is that you? What are you doing here?
Gohan, take this.
Huh?
Pick it up, hurry! Put it on your right ear. The two of us are gonna fuse and take Buu down!
What? Fuse? Huh?
Found it! What was I supposed to do with it again?
Not gonna happen!
No! Not Gohan!
Ha!
No! You've gotta be kidding me! Come on!
Yes! I'm even more powerful than before!
No, I can't fuse with Gohan!
What will you do now? You tried to fuse with Gohan, but it looks like I beat you to it! There's no one left for you to fuse with.
Come on, man! Think you're tricky, huh? Absorbing everyone like that? I can't believe this! This energy, it's...
What's wrong? Giving up already? Then it's time for you to die! Instant transmission!
This is as far as I can go. King Yama was kind enough to return your body, but only so you can be here to fight that monster. You do understand that, right?
I'll be fine. Whether I'm dead or alive, it makes no difference to me. I'll do what I can.
Vegeta! I knew it was you!
Kakaroto?
Listen up, Vegeta. I need you to wear this on your right ear. We're gonna fuse!
No, we aren't. Why the hell would I do that?
Because! This is our only shot at beating Majin Buu!
I'd rather be erased from existence than become one with the likes of you!
Vegeta, forget your pride just this once! The whole universe is done for if we don't do this!
You've got some nerve. You hid a great deal of your power from me when we last fought, didn't you, Kakaroto? What is this Super Saiyan 3? You never cease to piss me off, you know that? I will not fuse with a bastard like you!
I'm sorry, Vegeta. I can't stay in that form very long. I was saving it for when I really needed it.
I don't want to hear your excuses! You disrespected me by holding back. I've never been so humiliated.
Maybe this will change your mind then. Everyone's been eaten by Buu! Even Bulma and Trunks! Buu's on his way here! Please! You want to save them, right?
Give it to me, now! There you are!
Vegeta, just a heads up. This fusion's permanent. There's no going back after this. Got it?
What did you say? Damn you! Why would you wait until now to tell me that? This is what I'm supposed to do, right?
Yep. Thanks, Vegeta.
What just happened? All right now!
Rivals unite against Majin Buu.
Since I'm the fusion of Vegeta and Kakaroto, I guess that makes me Vegeta. And this is Super Vegito! Ooh, impressive! Come at me. How dare you taunt me? I wish you'd take this seriously. Who do you think you are? All right! Here it comes! You idiot! You actually trying? Too easy, idiot! Too easy! I've got some...
I was hoping for more of a challenge.
Do not mock me! No!
I'm just getting started. Big Bang Attack! I'm still waiting for you to take this seriously. All right, I'm starting to get bored, so let's go ahead and end this. I'll give you until the count of 10. Say your prayers if you've got any. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are you doing? Now's your chance! Come on! You've only got one move left when you're in this kind of position.
At this rate, my only option is to absorb him. But how? Wait, that's it! I can use the part of me that he cut off earlier!
7, 8. So he finally figured it out. It's about time. This is the whole reason I cut off that ridiculous tail thing on his head.
Very good. He's not paying attention.
9. All right. Time to see if this is going to work. 10. Now, barrier!
I did it! I did it!
This can't be happening. He was absorbed. It's over now.
No, it might not be.
Huh?
Doesn't something seem a little odd to you? When he absorbed someone before, not only did his power increase, but his appearance changed. And now, something's different.
He hasn't changed at all. What does this mean?
It's possible Vegito was absorbed by Majin Buu on purpose. Well, isn't he a crafty one?
To commemorate my newfound dominance, I'll destroy this planet!
Look, something's happening.
I knew it! I knew it! He went into Buu to find a way to save his friends.
What? This can't be happening!
There he is.
What are you doing?
He's returning to his previous forms. What in the world?
Huh? We did it! Everyone's back to normal!
We need to hide them. Buu still hasn't noticed us yet. All right, I'm heading back to where Buu is.
Right! All right, Gohan and the others should be okay now.
Buu still isn't budging.
Guess we'd better keep a close eye on him then.